Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and then we're going to be setting this up. This is the Apple TV 4K 2021 edition. Obviously, it has the new remote. That's pretty much the main difference, and then the new processor. It also has Wi-Fi 6 and some other information. I'll get into that in a bit. I'll throw the specs up on the left so you can read it. You can pause that if you want that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. As you see, 4K HDR, Dolby Atmos. You can do App Store AirPlay. You can even use your AirPods and HomePod for sound, or even surround sound. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So this retails for about $179 for the 32 gig option, $199 for the 64. Same price as the other generation. So here it is. Wow, this looks nice. It's the same exact look as the previous gen. So this is the Apple TV. We'll put that to the side for a second. Right here we have the contents. So right here we have the quick start guide, regulatory information, and you also have new Apple stickers. I don't remember if the other one had Apple stickers, but this one does, so I don't know, you can use that for wherever you're gonna need it. Right here you have a Type-C to USB-A charging cable for the remote, because it is rechargeable obviously. Really nice. And then right here we have the remote. So what that looks like, really nice. This is made out of aluminum. It's like a soft feeling. It feels really good. The IR sensor is right here. You have a Siri button right here. You just press and hold. Trackpad, as well as directional buttons here. Dedicated power on button. You have a Windows button, volume up and down, mute, and a plain pause. So a lot of new buttons on here, which is going to be really helpful. And then you have the charging port and then Apple logo. And right here we have the power cord. So this is obviously going to be used for power. So that's where that is. Yeah, so that's that unboxing really quick. Nothing really too new about this. Even the unboxing's the same. Get pretty much the same stuff. Let's go with the Apple TV right now. So this is what it looks like. Same exact design. Let's peel this part off. That releases the Apple logo. Then right here, we're gonna go ahead and take this off. This reveals the rest of it. Glossy. I wish they went with an all matte surface, but I guess it is what it is. On the back, same 3 ports. You have the power, HDMI, and Ethernet. I'll probably do a side-by-side comparison between this one and the 3rd gen or 4th gen. But right here, you just have the Apple logo. Pretty much simple. That's basically the quick unboxing of it. We're gonna go ahead and set this up. We're gonna show you how to set it up, and then, yeah, the new features on it. All right, so as you can see, this is our new Apple TV. We have it right here. And we're going to go ahead and replace our old one. It's really easy to be able to replace them. You can literally just unplug your old one and use your new one. It's really seamless. You can use the same exact ports that you do. It's really quick. So as you can see, it looks like I didn't even do anything, but I did. So yeah, that's really all you have to do. Just quickly plug both of them in and you're good to go. All right, now it is on and we're done. That's the installation process. Now we gotta go ahead and set it up. So we click on the remote and it is active now. We can go ahead and click English and then we go United States. Data and privacy, sure, continue. Set up with iPhone. This is a new feature which you can go ahead and just use your iPhone. A lot of stuff is connected to iPhone, so also make sure your iPhone is up to date so it'll be easier for the process, especially if you want to color calibrate it. As you can see, pops up right there. You can go ahead and click setup and then it'll do the rest after the authentication code. As you can see, it's setting it up, and it'll also activate all the apps from your previous Apple TV if you had one, and basically everything else, so you basically have to do nothing. It's really, really easy. Alright, so now it's set up, and then we gotta go ahead and we're just gonna do some of this stuff here. You can read it, pause it if you want. I don't really recommend the wallpapers because it's almost a gig a week, but that's basically it. It's updated now, so it'll start updating it, and it's in real time. As you can see, I'll start counting with my fingers. It's going really, really quick, so Wi-Fi 6 definitely helps, even though I do have Ethernet, but still. Alright, so we're going to go in settings. We're going to go ahead and go to video and audio. we're going to go and show you. So it has 4K HDR, 4K SDR, and some other information down there. Color balance, I didn't get to do this part, but it is really easy, and make sure you have iOS 14.5 or later to help that. Alright, so this is the remote. You can use the click or gestures, and there's some new gestures out there you can use. It only works for Apple TV at the moment, but this is the video quality as well. You can change a lot in the settings, so I highly recommend you go look in there. This is the color balance, so as you can see you have original and balanced. I like balance a lot more because you have more warmer waters and closer real colors of sand. It's not a really bright light. This one, as you can see, you can go ahead and press and hold for home, double tap to go ahead and swipe some things so you can help manage the RAM, and that really helps out a lot. You can do basically everything you can with the other remote, even Siri. It's way easier to use Siri. You don't have to accidentally press it or whatever. You can mute, and you can even power off the device, which is my favorite feature out of this all. It's really, really helpful. Overall, should you buy the new Apple TV 4K? I recommend you to probably, if you have a 3rd gen or lower, then definitely upgrade it. But if you have last gen or 4th generation Apple TV, do not get it because it's just very minimal upgrades. It's not noticeable that much, but it, unless you want to spend $180 for the remote, basically. It just all depends to you. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you like so I can help out the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new around here. It only takes 5 seconds to do so, and it is free.